Most AI-generated decks look exactly the same. Generic stock layout, filler text, images that have nothing to do with your content. And the moment you actually try to use one in a real presentation, it falls apart. This is what it looks like when you fix that. Here's the problem with most AI presentation tools right now. They get you to generated. That's where they stop. You get a deck, it's technically fine, the structure is there, the text is there, but the visuals are generic. The layout is locked. And if you want to change something, the theme, the image style, the slide count, you're basically starting over. Gamma just changed that with NanoBanana Pro. NanoBanana is a Google Gemini model, now integrated across Gamma, completely free. But the part that actually matters isn't the model itself. It's what happens when you combine it with Gamma's studio mode. That's the workflow I'm going to show you today. And I'll also show you something at the end that takes this a step further, generating decks directly inside Claude without ever switching tabs. Let's get into it. So this is Gamma. If you haven't used it before, it's the most popular AI presentation app right now. Over 70 million users, 700,000 decks, sites, and documents created every single day. From the home screen, you've got 4 ways to create. Generate from a prompt, paste in existing text, start from a template, or import a file or URL. We're going to hit generate. By default, you'll land on classic mode. This works, but it's not what we're using today. Right here in this dropdown, you'll see studio. Studio mode is a different generation layer. Instead of just dropping text next to an image, it builds a visual narrative. The imagery, layout, and theme are locked together so everything feels intentional, not assembled. Switch the mode to studio. That's step 1. All right, let's actually build something. I'm going to type in a prompt. The prompt I'm using, the art of storytelling in cinema. Simple, 1 line. That's all Gamma needs. I'll keep it at 10 cards, studio mode, hit generate outline. In a few seconds, you get the full outline. 10 slides. Gamma already structured the narrative arc. Intro, conflict, character, visual language, all the way to conclusion. And here's where you have control, before a single slide is generated. You can reorder this, rename a slide, or remove something that doesn't fit. This isn't a locked outline, it's yours to shape. Now let's set the visual identity. Open the theme gallery. Gamma has a full theme library. Scroll through, you'll see options like Atmosphere, Blueberry, Mystique. For this one, I'm going with Prism. Vibrant, colorful, high contrast. It'll work well for a cinematic topic. Now go to Advanced Settings. This is the important part. In the Image Model dropdown, select NanoBanana Pro. This is the actual upgrade. NanoBanana Pro is what generates the high-fidelity custom illustrations for each slide based on the specific context of that slide. Not generic stock, not reused assets, custom visuals per slide. Set the image style to illustration. Now hit generate. Watch this. From that 1-line prompt, Gamma just built a complete, visually cohesive 10-slide presentation. Same film strip motif across every card, illustrations that are actually tied to each slide's topic, a human eye for character, a conceptual diagram for narrative structure. This took under 2 minutes, and the output isn't something you need to redesign before you can use it. Also, once it's generated, you're not stuck with it. You can expand the deck, add slides, swap themes, and keep the same visual language throughout. Hit Add Card. Gamma generates the new slide in the same style. No inconsistency. And exports? PPT, Google Slides, PDF, PNG. Not just a screenshot, actual files. That's the studio mode loop. Prompt, outline, theme, NanoBanana Pro, polished deck, export. Under 2 minutes. Here's something worth showing separately. Gamma isn't just a deck tool. Same home screen, same prompt, but now look at what you can generate from it. Switch to social. Same idea, a social carousel in portrait format. Designed to be shared as is. Same tone, same visual style as the deck. Switch to web page. Gamma builds a simple page you can publish and share immediately with a link. No hosting setup, no CMS. 3 outputs from 1 idea. Presentation, carousel, site. Same style, same narrative. You don't rebuild, you just switch the format. This is the create once, repurpose everywhere workflow Gamma is built around. And because NanoBanana Pro is generating all of it, the creative consistency holds across formats. Quick comparison while we're here. If you've used NotebookLM before for decks, it's a solid tool. But the workflow is generate, download, done. You're treating the output as final. With Gamma Studio mode, you generate, then you refine. Visuals, copy, slide count, theme. The editing step is what makes the output actually usable. And Studio mode gets you there in about 2 minutes. NotebookLM for the same output, closer to 10. All right, one honest thing before we move on. If you go into Gamma and just use classic mode, you won't get what you just saw. Classic is the default. It's faster, it's fine, and it doesn't build that visual narrative structure. Studio mode is what unlocks this. It's right there in the dropdown. Just make sure you're switching it before you generate. That one toggle is the difference between decent AI deck and what I just showed you. Go to gamma.app, hit generate, switch to studio. That's it. Now here's where it goes a level further. You've got a deck. It's polished. It's ready to present. But what if your thinking evolves? What if you're still in Claude, refining the actual argument, and you realize the deck needs to change too? The old workflow. Copy your updated notes, go back to Gamma, reprompt, regenerate, re-export. Gamma now works natively inside Claude through Claude connectors, which means your thinking and your deck can evolve together in the same window. Let me show you what that actually looks like. So I'm in Claude now. I've got the Gamma connector active. You can see it in the connected tools panel. I'm going to start a brainstorm. I'll type in my idea. Claude thinks it through, structures the narrative, pulls out the key points. This is the part you'd normally copy and paste somewhere. But watch what happens if I just ask it to build the deck from here. Claude calls Gamma through the connector. The deck starts building right here inside the conversation. I didn't leave Claude, I didn't open a new tab, I didn't reprompt anything from scratch. And here's the part that makes this actually useful. If I keep thinking in Claude, the deck can keep up. Say I change direction on one of the points. I ask Claude to update, Gamma regenerates only what changed. The rest stays intact. This is what context switching was costing you before. Every time you moved between tools, you lost momentum. A thought that made sense in Claude had to be rebuilt from scratch in Gamma. That friction is gone. And it's not just Claude. Gamma connects to your other tools too. Watch this. I connect Gmail. I pull up a client email thread in Claude. And instead of summarizing it manually, I just ask Gamma to turn it into a presentation. Claude reads the email, Gamma builds the deck from that data. A client-ready presentation from an email thread, without you doing the in-between work. Same thing works with Notion docs, GitHub repos, HubSpot reports. Claude pulls the data, Gamma builds something you can actually share. This is the agentic workflow people have been talking about. No copy-paste, no rebuilding. You stay in one place, your thinking evolves, and the output keeps up. Here's what you do right now. Go to gamma.app, hit generate, switch the mode to studio, select NanoBanana Pro as your image model, type in one idea, a topic you actually care about, and hit generate. That whole process takes under 2 minutes, and the output is something you can immediately use, export, and share. If you want the Claude connector, the link to set that up is in the description too. Add Gamma to your Claude workspace and try the Gmail workflow I just showed you. That's it. Go build something. Links below, gamma.app.